If you're someone who's considering a career where you make a difference and you can see the impact that you have unfolding in front of your eyes, then Legal Aid is the organisation for you.
I think it was always an obvious choice. Once I started working here in admin, there was no other place I wanted to work.
I've been at Legal Aid for nearly 2 years now. I started as a litigation support officer and then moved into a graduate role.
We had 6 months in crime and then I did 18 months in family law. I'm now sitting in one of the family law teams as a lawyer.
Through the graduate program, I've been able to grow professionally in a significant way.
Legal Aid attracts people who have empathy, and that doesn't just extend to the work that they do, it is also how they treat each other in the office.
The support here is some of the best I've ever seen. I have had a mentor throughout my graduate role, but also the other support staff as well. Their willingness to kind of drop anything and help has always been something really beneficial here.
I am able to have that work-life balance of being able to really succeed in my role at work and being supported, but then also being able to go home and support my outside of work activities.
I don't think that I would have had the opportunity to develop myself in the way that I have, to the extent that I have, without the opportunities that Legal Aid Queensland has provided me.
I have been able to have fantastic mentorship, which I may not have otherwise been able to have if I was a junior lawyer elsewhere.
As a mentor in the program, it is really special to see how much people improve when they first start the program and when they're a few months into their career as a lawyer. I think that there is a lot to learn as part of a structured and guided program that other organisations can't offer.
I really enjoy appearing in court. Long term, I'd like to progress up and take the bar course with Legal Aid and hopefully become in-house counsel long term.
If it's somewhere you want to have that work-life balance and you want to have that career growth development, but also in a really supportive community, and then to top it all off, you get to help some really vulnerable clients, it's the place to be.